This is the sewing tutorial of the last video I posted. Hi Caribbeans family, how are you all doing? So today we are joining the beautiful crisscross neckline that we drafted in our last video. So we are starting with the back piece. I have the lining and the main piece here. So I'm going to bring one side of the back piece, place the lining on top of it, right side facing right side, and I'm going to sew here, here, and here. I will leave the armhole area and the shoulder as well. So here is where I'm going to leave. So for the front piece, this is the front piece. Okay, so for the front piece, I am removing all the pins that I used to hold it. On the chest line, I'm going to come down by 1 inch on the chest line, and I will give it a notch. That's where we're going to join the center. Okay, so I'll keep the lining by the pattern by the side, then open up all the pieces. The center piece, I'm going to open it up like this. It is 2 in number, so I will remove one side of the front piece, center front, and place it on top of this, right side facing right side, and sew it like this. Just join the princess dart on each side of the piece, of the center piece. So I'm done joining this one with my pin, and I'm joining the other center. Okay, so after joining, this is what you're going to have, something like this. Remember with our notch. Okay, remember our notch. This place that I'm using my finger to hold is the notch. Okay, so now we are not joining it yet. We are joining the lining. After joining the lining, I will come back and show you guys. So for the back, I'm done joining the back. As you can see, I'm going to place my zipper on top of the back to pin it up. Okay, so I don't want to forward this video too long. I just want you to see every step. Okay, every step of the video. So I'm going to place the zip like this, and then sew with 1/2 inch. I'm going to join the zipper. After joining, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Let's fast forward the zipper area. So after joining the zipper, okay, this is what it's going to look like after I'm done sewing it. So for the front piece, here is the one that I've worked on, one side of the front piece. So I'm going to show you how I joined it to get what I have here. So this is the lining of one side of the front piece, and this is the main piece. So I am going to place the lining on top of the main piece. Remember the place we notched, that's where you're going to stop sewing on that side. Okay, so you could sew all the way to the place you notched, and then close up the other sides, and use the place that you did not sew, that's the center line, to open it up and iron. This is the back piece after joining. Keep it by the side, and let's work on the center front. On the front piece, this is the opening that we have. This is how I'm going to join it. I'm going to join the material, the main piece first, with 1/2 inch. Okay, I'm just pinning it down so that you guys will see where I am going to sew. Join, and then join the lining separately as well. So we are going to sew on it like this, and here also. So after joining, this is what we have. Okay, now the crisscross is ready. Let's join the front and the back piece together. So I'm going to bring the front piece place it on top of the back piece, connect it to the shoulder. We're going to join the shoulder like this. Open the back side of the shoulder, put the front piece on it, close it up with lining, and use your pin to hold it down. Then use 1/2 inch to sew it. That's the same thing I did on the other side of the shoulder. Okay, just be watching what I'm doing there. So after joining the shoulders together and close it up with 1/2 inch, this is what we are going to have. I'm still going to sew mine, so let's go to the sewing machine and work on it. And this is what it looks like after joining the two sides. Came out so beautiful. So it depends on what you want to use it for. If it's just ordinary top, you will close the downside and that is all. But if you want to use it as a gown, I used mine as a jumpsuit, so this is the trouser part of my jumpsuit. If you want to use yours as a gown, you add your skirt at the down part, and if you want to use yours as a trouser, you do what I'm doing here. Add your trouser. I have a tutorial, I have had so many tutorial videos on how to sew trouser. Okay, so I'm not going to start again. It's not every day I'll come here and teach you how to sew trouser. So now I'm just attaching the back side. Okay, after attaching, I will join the zipper, and for the front I will also join the front piece. Just watch what I'm doing. Just watch what I am doing here. Okay, there is nothing much to explain here. Once you are seeing how my hand is moving, just do the same thing and you get exactly what I have here. Guys, please follow my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We clocked 20,000 followers on TikTok. We are still moving forward. Thank you everyone for joining. Okay, and last week we clocked 100k followers on Facebook. Thank you so much for joining us. We clocked 12,000 followers on subscribers on YouTube. We are doing well. Okay, thank you all so much for joining me in this my ministry. I promise never to disappoint you guys. I will always be dropping videos upon videos of guys. You guys should go and search me on Google. I searched myself on Google yesterday. Chineke nna. Is meaning my net worth too. So here, after joining, this is what I have. So as a jumpsuit, now you are going to close the two sides. Put your pocket, close the two sides, and put down your measurement, then close it up. That's just it. For the main purpose of this video is to show you how to join the crisscross, how to sew a crisscross neckline top. Okay, so I don't want to put sound on this video because at the rate they used to flag somebody. So this is what it looks like after joining, as you can see, and this is the back. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on my body. This is what it looks like on my body. Very beautiful, very nice. Can you see the back? The elimination method I did on the zipper, you see how it came out very flat. The back, your back will be very flat. That's the purpose of that zipper elimination. So this is the jumpsuit. It came out so beautiful. You can see the style I added at the down part of the trouser. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for joining this class. See you guys in my next video. Follow for more tutorial videos. Bye.